Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. If you are experiencing this error on your WhatsApp, so what does it mean? So basically, if you go into your Google Chrome, it says if your account is banned, you'll see the following message when you open WhatsApp. This account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. So they ban accounts if they believe the account activity violates the terms of service. For example, if it involves spam, scams, or it puts WhatsApp users' safety at risk. So basically, it is because you send too many calls or messages, or you are using unauthorized third-party applications. So to fix this error on your WhatsApp, basically you just need to go to WhatsApp support website. So go to the search bar right there at the top and just basically type right here www.whatsapp.com/contact. So once you type this URL link, basically just tap on the search icon to search for this website. Now here you'll find the WhatsApp contact support. So basically just tap on the contact us link right from here, the blue link. So when you tap on this one, you'll find this page. So basically just need to enter here your phone number that you're using in WhatsApp, and then your email address, and then confirm email address. And then here asking you how do you use WhatsApp. So you can choose Android, iPhone, web and desktop or iOS. Then here at the bottom you'll find a box where you can enter your concern on the WhatsApp error. So you can type here, hello WhatsApp team. My number is suddenly banned from accessing WhatsApp. And then after that, you can basically write, can you please help me to fix my account? Thank you. So once you enter this message here, basically just need to tap on this next step button right here at the bottom. Then the WhatsApp contact support will provide you some articles similar to your concern, but you just need to tap on this button, send question, right here at the bottom right corner. And then once you tap on this button, you just always check your email for their response. And also you can search in Google on how you can prevent your WhatsApp account from getting locked or banned. So that's it. That's how you basically fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.